Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable promotions in-app notifications on Temu account. So first you're going to go to the Temu app. Then while you're here, you're going to click on the U button on the middle of the screen. Then again, I'm going to click on settings on the top right corner. So next you're going to click on notifications. Then once you're here, you're going to click on edit under promotions. Then you're going to scroll downwards and see that the in-app notifications are turned off. You're going to turn it on. So when you turn it on, you're going to receive in-app notifications when you are using Temu. So it's a helpful setting for you guys. We also have different videos in our how-to tutorial playlists. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.